경찰서를 클럽 무대로 만들어버리는 오늘의 주인공 청소부 모건. 그런데 실수로 쏟은 사건 자료를 주워담던 그녀는 뭔가 이상한 것을 발견하고 맙니다. 살인사건 용의자의 얼굴을 확인한 그녀는 사건 보드판을 조작해버리고 마는데, 결국 사건 자료 조작 혐의로 체포되고 만 모건.
Tampering with a criminal case is a serious crime.
So is obstruction of justice.
싹싹 빌어도 모자랄 상황이었지만 경찰들이 생사람을 잡아 쪽팔리지 않게 그녀는 틀린 것을 바로잡아준 것이라 주장하였죠.
It wasn't tampering. I saw a problem and I tried to fix it.
You were trying to help us?
No, I don't care about you. I wanted to be able to sleep. That's all I was doing, cleaning up your mess. You want to arrest me for that? Fine, go ahead.
청소부 주제에 경찰의 추리가 틀렸다니 캐러덱은 당장 유치장으로 데려가려 했습니다. 그런데
What mistakes did you see?
과장인 셀레나가 그녀를 테스트해보았죠.
Okay. So, you've got a dead body. I'm assuming you think this lady offed her husband, but that's not possible. Look at this room. Look at this couch. All of these pillows are evenly spaced with alternating colors. Check out these shelves. Those objects are perfectly sized. Even the choice of metals is consistent.
경찰이 용의자로 지목한 리넷은 심각한 결벽증을 갖고 있었기에
All of these curtains are fastened with a tie back except for one for some reason.
만약 그녀가 범인이 맞다면 사건 현장에 정돈되지 않은 커튼이 있다는 건 말이 되지 않았고,
So the tie back must have been used for something else. See, look, you've got hairs stuck to the chair leg.
의자에 접착제가 붙어있다는 건
That means someone was tied up with the curtain cord and taped to the chair around their ankles. And since there are no marks on the victim's wrist, it wasn't him who was tied up.
사건 현장엔 제3자가 있었으며
We have Lynette tied to the chair, victim on the ground, and our unknown bondage freak who was either kidnapped or bumped off Lynette. That's the person you need to find.
그러나 이건 어디까지나 그녀의 주장일 뿐 캐러덱은 청소부인 모건의 말을 믿지 않았습니다. 그러나
We have the surveillance footage. A woman was seen entering the house at the time of the murder.
The third person!
평범한 청소 노동자가 전문 프로파일러급 추리를 할 수 있었던 건
All right, your grand total is
168.47.
$173.81. Good guess, though.
Yeah, it's 168.47.
한 번 본 것은 절대 잊어버리지 않는 IQ 160 이상의 천재 중의 천재였기 때문
30% off detergent at $7.87. That's $2.36 for a total of $5.51. 15% off strawberries. That's 84 cents, and up to 2. So you can scan this one twice. The total is 168.47.
그러나
Please escort Miss Guillory to the holding cell.
What?
We have to check your story out.
천재 중의 천재가 사무실이나 청소하는 청소부라니 게러덱은 그녀의 말을 믿을 수가 없었고
Hello? Hi.
그는 과장의 행동 역시 이해할 수가 없었죠.
Since when do you show an open case file to a civilian? A potential suspect?
Can you refute anything she said?
그러나 부정하기엔
No.
불어인 경찰들이 보기에도 그녀의 주장은 일리가 있었습니다.
We have to be sure because if she's right,
And we currently have a botched homicide investigation with no leads.
그리고 셀레나가 수사 자료를 보여줄 수밖에 없었던 이유는 바로
And even worse,
we have a second victim.
또 다른 살인을 막아야 했기 때문이었습니다.
This is footage from the Acosta house at the approximate time of the murder.
Who is she?
Lish Gajang.
그리고 사건 당일 CCTV에 찍힌 유력 용의자.
Miss Zhang, 3 months ago, you sued Brian Diamond, your boss at Spatial Technologies.
He harassed me for months.
그녀는 직장 상사로부터 폭행을 당해 그를 고소했었지만 상대 측 변호사인 리넷의 변호로 재판에서 패소한 이후 리넷에게 앙심을 품고 있었기에 살해 동기는 충분했습니다.
What were you doing at Acosta's house yesterday?
그러나
I wasn't at her house yesterday.
We have you on video. And 30 minutes after you arrived, Anthony Acosta was dead.
그녀는 진심으로 억울해했습니다.
I was at home all day working.
Can anyone confirm that?
하지만 그녀의 알리바이를 증명해줄 사람은 한편 이번 사건과 연관성이 발견되지 않자
You're clear. Just need to sign your paperwork and you're good to go.
드디어 풀려나고만 모건.
She claims to know nothing about Lynette's whereabouts.
그대로 집으로 귀가하면 되었지만
We have her at the scene and we have motive.
이번에도 경찰들이 헛발질을 하고 있자
Video has the wrong date on the timestamp.
들린 것을 보면 바로잡아야 하는 그녀의 병이 또다시 도져버리고 마는데
Wait, what are you talking about?
That's not from yesterday. Look at the trees. The wind is blowing from south to north.
CCTV 속 날짜가 틀렸다고 주장하는 근거는 바로
Wind in the LA basin blows from the south in the summer, specifically mid-July to September. Then in late fall, winds shift in from the north, peaking in January. So that's got to be from several months ago.
How do you know which way the wind is blowing?
그리고 그녀가 그렇게 생각하는 이유는 바로
You got a church. Churches face east.
All churches face east?
교회는 사제를 신성하게 보이게 하기 위해 해를 등지고 지어졌기 때문이죠.
And can't the wind change direction?
Catholic churches built here in the 1800s do, so yes. And the wind was definitely blowing from the north yesterday.
She's right on both counts.
그 말인즉
Someone doctored the video.
그렇게 모건은 이번에도 경찰들이 엄한 사람을 잡을 뻔한 걸 도와주고 맙니다.
Wait! How do you do that?
I also have an IQ of 160, so that might have something to do with it.
하지만 아무리 IQ가 높다고 해도 평범한 사람이 프로파일러 저리 가라 추리를 할 수 있는 건 불가능한 일.
The technical term is high potential intellectual. Means you have advanced cognitive abilities, intellectual creativity, photographic memory, stuff like that. But I don't know, I've just always been this way.
So it's some sort of a gift.
하지만 그녀에겐 재능이 아닌 저주였죠.
I obsess over every little problem I see. My mind is constantly spinning out of control, which makes it impossible to hold a job, a relationship, a conversation. Not a gift.
서둘러 집으로 돌아가려 한 모건. 그러나
A woman is missing. Please, help us find her.
시간이 지체될수록 피해자의 생명이 위태로웠기에 결국 자존심을 내려놓은 경찰은 그녀에게 도움을 요청했습니다.
You got it.
그렇게 청소부에서 경찰들의 자문관이 된 모건.
Who made this case board? Because this is a lot of work.
그리고 마침내 피해자의 딸을 통해 새로운 실마리를 얻게 됩니다.
But she wrote Mom a letter a couple weeks back, and after that, Mom started to spiral.
What did the letter say?
She wouldn't tell me, but it shook her up bad.
부부가 얼마 전 생을 마감한 세라라는 직원의 편지를 받고 충격에 빠진 사실을 알게 된 캐러덱은 편지의 내용을 알기 위해 리넷과 마지막으로 통화한 여동생을 찾아갔습니다. 그러나
Okay, let's be very clear. You are not going to say anything, you are not going to touch anything, and you are not going to do anything.
Right, right. I should probably be strapped in case things pop off.
I'm serious. Do nothing.
상관의 명령이 있었기에 그녀를 대동하는 것뿐 수사를 방해하지 말 것을 당부하였습니다.
When was the last time you spoke to your sister?
2 days ago, she called to wish me luck with my presentation.
You're a biologist?
Yeah, I had a PhD defense.
혹시나 세라에 대해 알고 있는지를 묻는 캐러덱. 하지만
Doesn't sound familiar.
여동생 또한 세라가 누구인지를 알지 못하였죠. 그런데 모건이 들어간 지 5분도 안 돼
Sorry. Could you put that down? It's breakable.
남의 물건에 함부로 손을 대는 것도 모자라
Is that where you were yesterday at your presentation?
Morgan?
From like 3 to 5 p.m.?
Stop it.
I'm just asking about her alibi. My goodness, you think he's never done this before.
캐러덱의 경고를 무시하고 형사 행세를 하고 맙니다.
Sorry, who is she?
If you can't keep your mouth shut, please treat our witnesses with some compassion, particularly grieving members of the victim's family.
아무리 과장이 자문관으로 고용했어도 캐러덱에게 모건은 여전히 청소부일 뿐. 더러워서 관두기라도 한 것일까? 다시 청소 작업복을 입은 모건. 그리고 그녀가 다시 청소부가 된 이유는 바로 리넷의 사무실에 있는 편지를 통해 세라가 누구인지를 알아내기 위함이었습니다.
Read the letter. Sarah Atkinson was a paralegal on the Brian Diamond case. And guess what? Brian Diamond assaulted her also.
세라 역시 장처럼 직장 상사인 다이먼에게 폭행을 당했었지만 리넷 때문에 폐소를 쓰던 직원이었습니다.
I figure Lynette Acosta had a crisis of conscience, was gonna turn on Diamond, so he did something about it. We have motive! We have a serial criminal! Let's go arrest him!
Stop!
그녀의 추리가 맞다면 범인은 바로 다이먼. 그러나
We have nothing here. This letter is inadmissible. I can't have this in my possession.
훔친 물건은 증거가 될 수 없었죠.
Because despite what you may think, we can't run around breaking into offices and arresting people at whim. It's not how the law works. Right now, the only clear crime here has been committed by you.
자칫하다간 그녀뿐만 아니라 캐러덱 역시 범죄자가 될 수 있었기에
Okay. This didn't happen. You're gonna take this letter and you're gonna put it back exactly where you found it. And if you get caught, I'm going to arrest you myself.
캐러덱은 수사라는 어떻게 하는 것인지를 몸소 보여줍니다.
And then we're gonna go talk to Brian Diamond.
그렇게 참고인 조사를 가장해 다이먼을 경찰서로 불러낸 캐러덱.
This is my first interrogation. What do we do?
You don't do anything.
Is it like a good cop, bad cop situation? You want me to go in there and flip the table over?
No.
모건은 드디어 자신의 손으로 범인을 잡을 생각에 흥분했습니다.
When did we get to hit him with the phone book?
Never.
Hey, how's it coming?
Let's get ready for his alibi. Give me a data print on him for the day of the murder.
I'm on it.
그러나
Yeah.
I got bad news. Diamond wasn't in town the day of the murder, wasn't anywhere close. He was in Fontana.
자신의 추리가 틀렸다니 모건은 믿을 수가 없었습니다.
Fontana? The Kentucky of California? Fontucky? The hell was he doing in Fontana?
Doesn't matter. He wasn't here.
그러나 모건의 눈은 속일 수 없는 법.
Look at his shoes. Those are Italian seams, handcrafted. Look at his watch. That guy is not going to be caught dead in Fontana.
당연히 그의 알리바이는 거짓이라 생각했지만 그런데 그때 뭔가를 깨달은 모건은 폰타나에 집착하기 시작하는데
Tell Karadek to ask Diamond what he was doing in Fontana. Tell Karadek!
It's not how this works.
그러나 절차를 지켜야 하는 수사.
Hey! Ask him about Fontana!
What the hell is this?
그리곤 결국
Don't say another word.
Mr. Diamond, thank you for your time.
유력했던 용의자는 풀려나 버리고 맙니다.
No!
도대체 모건은 무엇을 발견했던 것일까?
Why did you want me to ask Diamond about Fontana?
수사가 다시 원점으로 돌아가자 자존심을 굽히고 모건에게 직접 도움을 청하는 캐러덱.
Diamond is not a Fontana guy. More importantly, I noticed something in Sophia's apartment yesterday. All of the little tchotchkes on her shelves were dusty. Except for one.
리넷의 여동생의 집에서 폰타나의 기념품을 발견했었기에
Diamond and Sophia are having an affair.
모건은 리넷의 여동생이 다이먼의 연인이자 공범이라는 것을 눈치챈 것이었습니다.
Again, the problem
They both have alibis, but what if the murder did not happen when we think it happened?
그리고 이들의 거짓 알리바이를 입증할 증거는 바로
Letty's last picture of her mom was taken 3 days ago. These flowers were fresh and new. They should still be pink. But they were already dead in the crime scene photos.
싱싱하게 살아있어야 할 곳이 일찍 시들었다는 것은 곧
What does Diamond do for a living?
security technology.
And what does Sophia do for a living?
She's a botanist.
Do you know what this room is?
A greenhouse.
그렇습니다. 다이먼은 살해 후 CCTV를 조작해 거짓 용의자를 만들었으며 생물학 박사인 여동생은 기온을 조작함으로써 경찰이 정확한 사망 시간을 추정하지 못하게 만들었던 것.
What did they do with Lynette?
Well, if they were going to kill her, they would have done that right here. That's the smart move.
Well, maybe Sophia has a hard time with that. I mean, it is her sister. So they kidnap her, right? To buy themselves some time.
그렇다면 리넷은 어디에 있는 것일까?
So they're taking her someplace secure, someplace one of them owns.
Someplace they've been meaning up to have their affair. Someplace remote,
그리고 또 한 번 빛을 발하는 모건의 관찰력.
but familiar.
결국 경찰들은 정서부인 모건 덕분에 사건을 해결할 수 있었습니다.
Lynette Acosta's gonna be okay thanks to you.
자신조차 원하지 않는 능력이었지만 LAPD에겐 그녀의 능력은 절실히 필요했습니다.
It's a job offer. Come be a consultant. Do this full time. We need you.
하지만 그녀는 싱글맘으로 아이 셋을 홀로 돌봐야 했기에
I'm not cut out for this. But thank you.
If you change your mind, you know where to find me.
다시 평범한 청소부로 돌아갔습니다.
Ava, I need to talk to you about your dad.
No.
그렇게 아빠를 미워하고 있는 사춘기가 온 첫째 딸에게 아빠의 진실을 알려주는 모건.
He didn't leave. He vanished. Something happened to him. And the police, they never believed me, but I know that he would not have left you.
Hey, but he did.
그러나 딸아이는 아빠의 실종을 믿지 않았습니다.
Honey, I'm not lying to you. I'm telling you that he would not have done that to us.
Then stop lying to yourself.
그녀는 하는 수 없이 딸아이에게 진실을 알려주기 위해
If I work for you, you work for me too. I need you to find someone. His name is Roman Sinquera, and he vanished 15 years ago. The police say that he just skipped town, but I know that he didn't. So, I need help.
그리고 사랑했던 가족을 되찾기 위해
Please. Help me find him.
정식으로 경찰의 자문관이 되기로 합니다.
You got a deal.
그렇게 더 이상 청소 작업복이 아닌 출입증까지 걸고 경찰서로 출근한 모건. 그러나 신난 그녀와는 달리 미아는 죽고 싶은 심정이었습니다.
What's going on?
It's my girls. Their father was supposed to drop them off last night, but he never showed up.
그녀는 사랑하는 두 딸이 납치를 당했다 의심했습니다.
I'm probably just overreacting, right?
자식을 키우는 부모의 마음을 잘 알고 있었기에
That wherever your girls are, we're gonna find them.
모건은 반드시 아이들을 찾아주겠다 약속하였죠.
Mia, when's the last time you saw your daughters?
Yesterday, when Wendell picked them up. He's my ex-husband.
You should have never agreed to shared custody before the divorce was finalized.
Dad, he's their father. He has a right to see them.
아이들의 할아버지는 나치범으로 아이들의 아버지인 웬디를 의심했습니다.
Yeah, he became obsessed with environmentalism. He wanted Mia and the girls to live completely off-grid. Told Ellie and Paige that everything was poison, water, food. I mean, these are kids we're talking about here.
He's not a monster.
The man decided to grow a garden rather than take care of his own family.
그리고 추가로 드러난 제3자의 증언까지.
According to this report from Child Protective Services, Wendell was found to be unstable and could be a danger to his daughter.
모든 증언들이 아이들의 아버지가 범인임을 말하고 있었죠.
I'll go check his house.
Don't forget Morgan.
Oh, how could I?
그렇게 당장 모건과 함께 웬디의 집으로 향한 캐러덱.
Hello? Mr. Dunn. Detective Karadek, LAPD.
그러나 그곳엔 딸들에 대한 애정이 가득 담긴 물건들로 가득했죠.
A greenhouse.
도대체 웬들과 아이들은 어디로 사라진 것일까?
Peppers and zucchini, Malabar spinach, cucamelon, rilla.
I get it. You know your vegetables.
Most of those are fruits. Thank you very much.
그리고 이번에도 그녀의 관찰력은 빛을 발하였죠.
Come on, Morgan, the clock's ticking.
Wendell planted cucumbers and tomatoes next to each other?
Are you critiquing our suspect's garden now?
Cucumbers and tomatoes are not companion plants. Wendell would never plant them side by side. They compete for the same nutrients, they have completely different watering needs, which might explain why they're not thriving.
비닐하우스가 있을 정도로 식물에 관심이 많은 그가 이런 것을 모를 리가 없었기에
I think this space was empty until Wendell moved all these plants in here within the last few days.
But you just said that he would never do that.
Yeah, he wouldn't, unless he had a reason, something to hide.
There's someone.
모건과 캐러덱은 당장 밭을 파기 시작했고 그리고는 역시나 시체가 발견되지만 그 시체의 주인공은 바로 유령 용의자였던 웬들이었습니다.
Wendell didn't have anything to hide. Someone else did. Him.
도대체 누가 무슨 이유로 아이들을 납치한 것일까?
Because if Ellie and Paige were taken by a stranger and not a family member, their odds of being found alive just dropped 42%.
아이들을 살리기 위해선 서둘러야 했습니다. 결국 나쁜 소식을 전하기 위해 미아를 찾아간 모건과 캐러덱.
I can't believe that he's dead.
Do you think he was murdered? We know so, sir. We found him this morning. My condolences.
Wait, if the girls aren't with him, where are they? What does this mean?
We hope to have more leads soon.
캐러덱이 가족들과 만나고 있는 사이 스며시 빠져나온 모건.
You're good?
Thank you.
Mr. and Mrs. Ashford like to collect expensive things, don't they?
They do.
그녀는 자신만의 방법으로 수사를 시작했습니다.
It's pretty sad about Wendell, right?
Yeah, he was a sweet man.
Was he? Just not a good father?
Oh no, he adored those girls.
Really?
그런데
Do you know him well? Do you spend a lot of time with him?
Yeah.
아이들에게 위험하다는 보호소의 보고서와는 달리 아이들을 누구보다 사랑하는 가정적인 아버지였다는 사실을 알게 되었죠. 그 말인즉 아동복지사가 서류를 조작했다는 의미.
You wrote a pretty severe CPS report on him.
Very severe.
My job at CPS is to assess risk and anticipate incidents in order to keep all kids out of harm's way.
I see. That must be a big responsibility.
아동복지사는 혐의를 부정했지만
Uh-oh. Oh boy. I sure have gotten a few of these in my day.
매서운 모건의 눈을 피할 순 없었죠.
I also can't help but notice you and I buy the same dish soap, only $2.95 with tax. And that tells me that you're short on cash, just like me. And yet, you were just able to take a trip to Kauai.
독촉장까지 받을 정도로 돈에 쪼들리는 사람이 여행을 갔다 왔다.
How comfy are those super soft slippers at a luxury 5-star resort?
그것도 5성급 리조트로 그녀는 누군가에게 돈을 받은 것이 확실했습니다.
Why'd you write all those mean things about that super sweet dead guy?
그리고 이만한 돈을 쓸 수 있는 사람은 바로 전 세계 체인을 보유한 럭셔리 호텔 및 리조트의 소유주.
Did that rich old man give you a stay in one of his hotels in exchange for you making his son-in-law look like a crazy person when really he's just a very loving father who wanted what was best for his girls and the entire planet?
사이를 평소 마음에 안 들어한 장인어른이었습니다.
You should be out looking for Paige and Ellie, not whatever this is.
He wasn't even here last night. Tell him, Curtis.
We had to drive to one of his properties in San Diego. We weren't back until 10.
How was traffic?
Bad. Traffic's always bad.
그리곤 역시 모건의 상대로
Yeah, write down your make and model. We'll check the cameras. Or you could just skip to the truth, Curtis. Did Mr. Ashford pressure you to lie?
Curtis.
He did. I don't know where Mr. Ashford was last night, but I didn't drive him anywhere.
장인어른은 알리바이가 없었습니다.
John would never hurt the girls. Mia, tell him.
Well, we'll keep you informed.
그러나 수사 결과 평소 환경 보호를 이유로 사이가 호텔 사업을 방해하자 사람을 고용해 그를 협박해왔다는 사실이 드러났죠.
I would never tell anyone to hurt the girl's father.
Well, that's a relief. Anyway, if Ellie and Paige witnessed the murder of their father, they can certainly identify who did it.
서둘러 협박범을 찾지 않으면 소녀딸들의 목숨이 위태로운 상황.
How long do you think your prepaid phone guy is willing to risk leaving your granddaughters alive?
그는 하는 수 없이 자백을 할 수밖에 없었습니다.
We have eyes on the suspect.
Guys, he's going for his pocket. He could have a weapon. It's keys, you guys. He was just going for his keys in his pocket. We're good. We're good.
미와의 약속을 지킬 수 있어 신이 난 모건.
Let's move.
LAPD!
그렇게 이번에도 모건의 도움 덕분에 사건을 해결할 수 있었습니다. 그러나 웬디를 죽이고 아이들을 납치한 건 협박범이 아니었으니 그렇다면 진범은 누구이며 아이들을 왜 납치한 것일까? 사건이 점점 미궁에 빠져가던 그때
Get this. Mia Ashford withdrew $100,000 just before the banks closed today. I had a unit swing by her parents' house, but they don't know where she is.
아이들의 엄마가 거액의 돈을 들고 사라지며 새로운 용의자가 되고 맙니다. 하지만 모건은 믿을 수가 없었죠.
Okay, listen to me. Are you seriously saying that you think Mia killed her ex-husband and kidnapped her own kids?
I'm saying we can't rule it out. Parental abductions happen.
Yeah, they sure do. And if the girls are with their mother, at least we know they're not in danger.
Oh!
그러나 그녀의 변론은 미아의 혐의를 벗기기에 부족했고 결국
And Daphne, move Mia's photo over to the suspect side of the case
Oh my
board.
God.
We need to find her. Until she gives us answered, we consider her a suspect.
You cannot be serious. This is so stupid.
또다시 경찰들의 엇발질을 두고만 볼 수 없었던 모건은 그만
I understand this woman. She's terrified. She doesn't know where her kids are.
감정이 폭발해버리고 맙니다.
And I promised her that she could trust us.
그리고 모건은 어떻게 써든 미와의 약속을 지켜야 했기에
The girls were last seen yesterday afternoon around 3 p.m.
모든 두뇌를 불가동하는데
There was nothing in the spotlight. Someone moved that Buddha. Why? They moved the Buddha because they wanted to open the cabinets. But nothing looked like it was missing.
그리고 결국 미아가 어디 있는지
Nothing was missing, so something was switched.
알아내고 맙니다.
Something was switched.
그녀가 돈을 마련하기 위해 작물을 파는 현장을 급습한 모건.
Closed.
Doesn't look like it.
How did you know I'd be here?
Well, Google tells me that this guy is an expert in Chinese antiques, and your mom loves China. Honestly, I think your family's hogging all the books on the subject. That's not the point. The point is, the Ming at your parents' house is not real because you put a fake in there to replace the real one, which is right here.
그리고 그녀가 거액의 돈이 필요한 이유는 바로
A man called me saying that he had Paige and Ellie, and if I don't give him $200,000 by tonight, that they'll end up like Wendell. I could only withdraw half from the bank, so.
당장 경찰에 이 사실을 알려야 했지만
No. If I call the police, he'll kill them. That's what he said. Please.
모건은 차마 알릴 수가 없었습니다.
Please believe me. I have no idea who kidnapped my daughters.
I'm going with you.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
No, I have no idea. What I do know is that I'm not going to let you do this alone.
이대로 미아가 끌려다니는 것을 두고 볼 수가 없었기에
You called the cops?
No, I didn't. I called him.
Why?
Because if these were my kids, I would want him here.
가장 믿을 수 있는 게르덱에게 도움을 요청한 모건.
She needs to take that.
No, she doesn't.
Keradek, this is a ransom.
If I don't pay this guy, my girls will die. Please.
그렇게 세 사람은
Speakerphone.
아이들을 구하기 위해 한 팀이 됩니다.
I am.
And you brought the money?
Yes. Now where are my daughters?
I'll text you the location. Be there in 5 minutes when they die.
좋게 먼저 캐러덱을 잠입시킨 후
Now what?
범인을 유인하는 미아.
Let me talk to my girls first.
돈만 준다면 미아는 이 지옥이 끝날 것이라 생각했습니다.
Where are they? Are they with you?
그러나
Ellie, where are you?
범인은 처음부터 아이들을 돌려줄 생각이 없었습니다. 이대로 범인을 놓친다면 아이들은 죽은 목숨이나 마찬가지.
What's going on? He's gone. They're gone. What?
하지만 캐러덱에겐 계획이 있었고
I put a car tracker in the money bag. Come on.
드디어 아이들을 만날 수 있다는 희망에 몸이 떨렸지만 맙소사. 미아는 제발 아이들의 목숨만은 살려달라 빌고 또 빌었습니다.
It's okay. It's okay. They're not in there.
다행히 아이들은 차에 있지 않았습니다. 대체 누가 이런 끔찍한 범죄를 저지른 것일까? 치밀로는 분노를 삭히며
Come on. Think.
모건은 필사적으로 머리를 굴리기 시작했고, 그리고 이번에도 역시나 예리한 모건의 눈을 피할 순 없었습니다.
Oh my god. I know who took the girls.
그리고 납치범의 정체는 바로
When I first saw him parked outside, I was like, why would he park under that tree? That doesn't make any sense. The birds and the leaves, the cleanup of the car would be a nightmare. And then I realized, oh, he's parked there because he can see inside Mia's bedroom window from the mirror.
운전기사인 커티스가 웬드를 죽이고 아이들을 납치한 이유는 바로
Curtis is in love with Mia. Now, when he couldn't win big at gambling, he figured, why not give the ransom game a try? Because he was going to need money if he wanted to sweep an Ashford off her feet. And was the knight in shining armor for Mia during the most traumatic day of her life to win her heart.
고작 더러운 흑심 때문에 사람을 죽이고 아이들까지 납치하다니.
Tell me where they are.
I don't know where they are.
그런데 납치하는 과정에서 아이들이 산속으로 도망치는 바람에 이미 아이들은 실종된 상태였습니다.
Rule number 1, when lost, go north.
How would the girls know that?
The book says you have 3 options, moss, sun, or migratory birds.
Moss.
아이들이 산속에서 생존할 수 있는 확률은 적었지만 모건은 희망을 버리지 않았고
Rule number 3, indicate your presence with a recognizable sign.
Over here! This way!
아빠의 사랑이 가득 담긴 가르침을 기억하며 버티고 있는
Take shelter while you wait for help.
자매를 발견하고 맙니다. 끝내 모건은 미아의 약속을 지킬 수 있었습니다. 그리고 그날 밤 모건을 찾아온 셀레나.
I'm so sorry to just pop by, Morgan.
You want to come in?
No, that's okay. I have some news.
그녀가 찾아온 건 남편이 사라진 그날의 이야기를 들려주기 위함이었습니다.
I followed up on Roman's car. Turns out it ended up in police impound 3 days after he disappeared. It was abandoned in a Costco parking lot a couple of miles from where you both lived. And the short inventory of items discovered in the car was a box of diapers.
그 말인즉
Which of course begs the question, if Roman really wanted to abandon your family, why would he stop and buy diapers first?
남편은 가족을 버린 게 아니라 정말 실종된 게 맞았다는 뜻이었죠.
You believe me?
We're gonna find out what happened to Roman. I promise.
Thank you.
어디서도 인정받지 못했던 비운의 천재 모건.
Roman Sinquerra. You met with him before he disappeared 15 years ago.
그녀는 과연 남편 실종 사건에 감춰진 진실을 밝혀낼 수 있을까요? 에이스 딸린 청소부 엄마가 강력 범죄를 해결해버린다.
Good morning, Morgan.
Yo, partner. Who's our stiff?
말이 안 되는 설정인데 이상하게 설득됩니다. 공개 직후 로튼토마토 96%, 메타크리틱 72점, 그리고 깐깐한 한국에서도 제법 잘 만들었다는 평가가 이어지고 있는 드라마 하이포텐셜. 이번 드라마가 재미있는 건 범죄 수사물이지만 주인공이 형사도 수사관도 아닌 청소부라는 사실입니다. 그녀는 사건을 과학이나 수사 매뉴얼로 풀지 않습니다. 대신 사람의 말투, 버릇등과 같은 뛰어난 관찰력과 직관으로 경찰도 해결하지 못한 사건들을 손쉽게 해결해버리죠. 가족을 위해 청소를 하던 여자가 이제는 형사들보다 열정적으로 범인을 쫓는 모습은 자연스럽게 그녀의 홀로서기를 응원하게 만들죠. 게다가 이번 작품이 더 매력적인 건 천재 vs 범죄자가 아니라 그 안에 깔린 가족 이야기, 상실과 회복, 그리고 아이들과의 유대까지 녹여내 캐릭터의 감정이입돼 더 재미있고 그래서 더 오래 남습니다. 이번 작품은 매 독립된 에피소드를 담고 있어 부담없이 시간 날 때 볼 수 있습니다. 인기에 힘입어 시즌2가 확정된 하이포텐셜은 디즈니 플러스를 통해 시청할 수 있습니다. 전 그럼 다음 영상에서 더 재밌는 드라마나 영화를 픽해서 추천해드리도록 하겠습니다. 오늘의 영상이 재밌었다면 구독, 알림 설정, 좋아요를 꾹 눌러주세요. 지금까지 픽추였습니다.